What's up, y'all? Welcome to tonight's live stream. It's May 2nd. I don't know if I was here yesterday. Maybe I was around here. I don't remember. But the goal is to try to stream every day this week. I don't know if I've met that goal, though, because I've been out doing stuff all week during my vacation. Oh, I actually got some new parts today. Actually, not a new part. I got actually, I haven't even opened it. I think it's my motorcycle cover. So that came in today, but I realized that I don't have any detail spray. Detail spray is the auto detailer spray that you can use for cleaning off surfaces on a vehicle. So yeah, I was like, oh, I don't have any of that. I have a whole like tactical bag full of like automotive cleaning gear, and I don't even have the most basic thing. I think I let one of my friends borrow it, so I had it. I just don't have it with me right now. Anyway, we'll go on and hop on over to the screen share. There are a few things that I want to try. Mostly it's, continue to work through this GitHub issue that I've been facing for too long, actually. Way too long. Let me close Final Cut. We don't need this open right now. All right, cool. So I already have things open and running. And I think last time where I left off was I had just figured out where this particular file is located. At least I think I had just figured it out. We'll see. So we're looking for something called app JWT, right? So we're gonna look for something like that inside of not this project, but the node directory. So this is where all of the node stuff is here. Well, no, that's a lie. This isn't where all the node stuff is. There's more node stuff. But we're gonna look for a file called app, whatever that is, with that string. So we'll do app. Wait, this is the, oh yeah. App JWT. Nothing. What about just JWT? Nothing. And this whole thing. All right, let's see what other packages. Maybe it's somewhere else. So I'm looking in Octa-core app and core, and I think I have Auth app in the same project. Let's get JS. Let's see, we have OctaKit. Yeah, we're pulling out core here. This is actually the thing that's doing all of the things. It's just, I need to like, where is this authentication happening? Let's see, app instance type of app. Let's see what this type is. Oops. Wait a minute. Do we know what this returns? All right, so defaults. All right, so it's some type that extends options. So options are passed into the app. So in this case, well, it's being inferred. So I'm going to assume it's being inferred from this octakit here. So whatever that is. All right, we get this defaults function. And yeah, so as it needs, okay, so this is a, whatever this is needs to be a class or an object, I think. Where it has this extends constructor part right here for this type. Yes, that's what's happening here. Partial of T defaults. Okay, what is this type? Well, we don't, okay, that's the type that we pass in, okay. I wish this wasn't inferred. I wish that I could know what this type is directly. Because it's inferring it from this type of app right here, but yeah. I would like a named type, but that's okay, that's okay. Let's confirm that I'm indeed loading the right thing. So if y'all remember from last time, oh dude, my bad, casual economist, sorry, another late stream. Well, yeah. So here's the thing. I don't know if I've made this clear. I am on vacation this week, like aka like I took off work. That's really it. I bought a new motorcycle for my birthday on the 27th. My birthday was this Sunday. The whole point of me taking the week off was because I had intended to ride this motorcycle every single day. So yeah, during the day, I'm not at home. I'm doing other stuff. Although today I was at home, but I also fell asleep. I actually just woke up 40 minutes ago. I thought it was another day. I was like, I thought it was morning. It started raining very hard today. I took my dog to the vet, and you know, after it started raining, I'm like, well, I don't really have much to do, so I kind of did some reading, and then fell asleep after I picked Roscoe up and gave him a bath. So like I bathed my dog and all that kind of stuff. I don't know when I fell asleep, but I remember the sun was coming out when I decided to go take a nap. I was like, you know what, traffic is about to start, because I was going to go out and ride. It was like, traffic is about to start, so I'll just go take a nap. I woke up, I think it was like 7:30 or something like that, and I shit you not, I thought it was a new day. And I looked out, I'm like, oh my gosh, like it looks like awesome outside. But I went out to go walk my dog, Roscoe, also to kind of check to see what the conditions were outside. So I was going to go out and ride my bike. The whole reason, right? That's the whole reason why I'm off. I was gonna go off and ride my bike. Appreciate the new follow. Oh, shit, it went away. Someone just followed me though. Unfortunately, actually, I could pull it up on the stream manager. I think, maybe. No, I can't. Okay. Well, whoever that was who just followed, I appreciate it. You know, I'm still trying to get to this goal of 256 on Twitter or Twitch. I'm sorry, Twitch, not Twitter. But yeah, anyway, let's go back. Tomorrow I'm back to riding. It's looking like tomorrow's gonna be perfect weather. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. So it's gonna be another late stream tomorrow too. It may even be after dinner. We'll see. Unless it rains again, you know, that's always an option that can happen, unfortunately. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do now. So, all right, so I'm exporting this const, whatever the hell. What I wanna do is print out something. Like I call these like a sentinel, or we can call it a needle. Whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna call it needle. And we'll just say loaded from local on the package. Now, why am I doing this? If you were here from the last time I did like my devlog session, then you may have saw that I did, I cloned the repo, the backing repo that I'm having an issue with. It's not mine. It's not my code. This is OctaKit. So I just pulled it down. It's open source. And I created a symlink in my node module directory. And then, at least I think I did this. Then I pointed it to, well, it looks to be, yeah, see, I pointed it to my local instance. So now this is actually the code. So I should, and this is what's confusing me, because if I go to this AutoKit.js node modules, AutoKit, auth, whatever this actually exists. Here, I'll show that. That would be here, app auth. See, that actually exists, this node. And we see here that this is this node index.js 51. So that would be, wait a minute. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Index, and then 51. So it's failing here on this call. So we're getting this app authentication. Let me see where that is, right? So we get this app authentication, and then we go here and we're calling some function, GitHub app JWT, and I think that's this function right here. No, okay. No wonder I don't see the fucking file. Oh my gosh. Okay, this makes sense now. No, it doesn't make sense, but like it makes sense in a weird way. JavaScript. Sometimes I hate you. Most times I hate you. Let's see here. I like the night streams. I'm doing a cert on Python, study at night. Why are you doing a certification on Python? Like, learn Python, sure. But certs, there is a stigma against, well, it depends on where you are, right? Like, if you're trying to get into like one of these like high tech, I don't know, I guess like one of the top tech companies, if you're trying to get into one of them, a lot of times certifications will hurt you. Not the other way around. They won't do what you think. Now, if you're instead working for like a smaller like consulting firm or like, what do you call it? Yeah, consulting firm, or working on like government contracts, that kind of thing. A lot of the government contracts, they'll want certs, but I don't know. The government's bar is so freaking low. Like, they use certifications as a proxy of like, do you know what you're doing? And some of the worst engineers, it's disrespectful to even call them an engineer, to even like put them in the same boat as me. But some of the people who I worked with when I used to do stuff closer to the government, some of the worst like developers I've ever, a lot of my career was spent with me trying to figure out how to get away from those people. I'm just like, man, they're not, no. Let's see, somebody just texted me. Yeah, I did it in Texas. Okay. Why are we doing this? So we're getting this. Wait, I thought I searched for this last time and I couldn't find it. Apparently it's here now. So this is his own thing. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I might be confused now. Here's why I think I might be confused. If this is a dependency, where the hell is it? Like, where is it? If it's not in here. Oh wait, am I looking at the right package? Yeah. I'm looking at the right package JSON, right? Like, why don't I see that module? Is it because I think I haven't? Okay, I could have done this, and I'm not gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna do this one directory here. All right, so let's see if this is a different a different whatever the hell. We'll do git remote -v or -vv. Okay, this is definitely still an OctaKit. So this is not a separate repo, or is it? Yeah, this isn't a separate repo. Okay, that's fine. So we have a package JSON. I don't see a lock file. That's what's concerning to me. That may be why I don't see these modules. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a log file. We'll do npmi? Yeah. It's free. Got access to a bunch of certs. Just brushing up. Yeah. Like, that's what I would use the cert for. Is not the cert itself. Like, to me, like, it's like a degree. I don't even know where my degree is. should tell you how trash that shit is. But I look at it sort of like a degree. Like the value isn't in the degree itself. The value is in the process of obtaining the degree. So like with your cert, that's what I would use that as. Is like, all right, that's what you should be targeting. Is it's the journey. Did I go in the wrong directory? I'm confused now. Again, I did go into the wrong directory like an idiot. Fuck. Yes, I went to the wrong directory. So we needed to go to Auth app. And we'll install here. See, the part that I don't understand though is that I thought I built this project, or did I not build this project? I can say something, let's see. Are there no scripts here? Or am I in the wrong? Yeah, okay, here we are. Here's the script. So this should go in and like build everything, which I may have to rebuild in a second, maybe. So now that I have this node modules, I should have the thing that I care about. So it's like universal something to do with something. Here we are, universal that app. And where are we failing at? We're failing on, where is that? On line 26. Wait, was that this node? It should have been this node. Yeah, okay. Oops, index. I've already forgotten the number. What number is this? Line 26? There is no line 26. What the hell is this talking about? Am I even on the right file? Yeah, it looks like a universal GitHub app, this node index, JS. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong, okay, I'm done. All right, fine. Literally set the thing and didn't do it. Okay, so it's saying 26, but like in reality, it's probably line 25 at the call. Yeah, 26, and then it shows you the column, 25. Remember that this goes away, right? So like 26 may not actually be this line. It may be down here at this await. That's most likely what's happening. So here's what I'm gonna do. I need to figure out what the hell the error, like what error is happening. So here's how I'm gonna do that. I think hopefully we'll do this. We're gonna wrap this in a try. I don't want to throw away this thing right here, unless it am I able to catch that here? No, I'm not. Look at that. So it looks like the error gets just swallowed. Okay, yeah, so maybe this will, yeah, let's do that. Let's wrap this in a try and actually, yeah, we can wrap it in a try. It's fine. And then we'll return if things look good. Otherwise, we'll capture the error and I'll say we're gonna make this another sentinel value. So we'll just say log. And this is going to be local, what's the name of this function? GitHub app, whatever. I'll just call it local FN. I don't really care that much. So we'll do that. And then let's throw the error in there. Let's just do that. All right, so because I've done this, I now have to go and rebuild the entire project so that this actually makes it in there. Although I have a feeling that the script that does the building is going to do a, what do you call that? What's the name of that thing? When you do a node install, I think it may do that. It's ES build, bundle, platform, shared options. What are, all right, I want to know what these shared options are. Packages external. What does that mean? I don't know. let's just build the thing and see what happens. So we'll do run build. Shit, what did I do? The infer type app cannot be named without a reference to. Is this an error? Oh, I'm tripping. I'm in the wrong directory. Oh, wait. No, I wasn't in the wrong directory. No, that should have worked. That definitely should have worked. Why didn't that work this time? Did I make a change? I didn't really make like. Okay. Okay, fuck. My editor changed things. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over to my staging and I'm going to discard changes. Now, can you do line level changes in Visual Studio? I actually don't know. I didn't work on the Visual Studio stuff. I only worked on desktop. Fuck it. We'll just get rid of all of it. I don't need any of it. We'll do git reset -- hard, and then we'll go to current head. Wait, what did I just do? Oh, rest. Okay, reset. There we go. Cool. So now we'll try this again. Let's see if should work this time. Hopefully. Oh, okay, sure. Never mind. Let's not work. Infer type app cannot be named without a reference to node modules OctaKit webhooks. I don't understand why I'm getting this now. I don't remember changing any of this. I definitely didn't change this. That's what I would expect, like somewhere along the way. Oh, you know what it is? I think I know what it is. Okay. I changed this type right here. So before it was always going to be a promise of this thing right here. Now it's a promise of this thing. Okay. All right. That's likely what it is. So let's just do this. We'll do a return and we'll just copy all of this shit. All right, so expiration, I think that should be a number if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so here's what I'll do. I'll put -1. Why is that not working? App ID, we'll just put some random string. We'll put empty string, how about that? And then we'll do expiration. And the token will be just an empty string. All right, so I'm just doing this so that I can get the type to not be undefined. So if we look at the type here, now it's always going to return a promise. So then go back over to here, and I gotta rebuild OctaKit here. Now I'm hoping that because I've changed the type back to what it should be, that it should be good. So we're going to restart TypeScript server. And we will, oh wait, no, I think that's it. Wait, no. Now we'll build it. So we'll run build. Still, okay, this one is, okay. Did I change anything else that I don't remember changing? I didn't really change anything. Wait a minute. Well, I'm in the wrong directory, am I? No, I'm not. Okay, yeah, I'm good. Okay. Okay, this isn't great. But it's not failing there. It's failing on get token. So here's what I'm gonna do. Again, we're gonna reset everything. We'll just go back out to this main thing, reset dash all, and then, oh wait, no, not all. We'll do hard. Okay. So we're good here. Now we're going to remove all of these node modules that I've downloaded. This is to make sure that I blow away any changes that I've just done, right? So now we'll install all packages again. So these new packages, they're really what they were before. It's going to be based on the fact that I just got rid of all of these changes here. So I'm back to whatever main is. I think I'm back to that. Let's see, git fetch origin. Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. wait, what's going on? I forgot that I'm in the node modules. I'm in OctaKit so that I know. Okay, that's why. Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. So now we've installed the things. Let's rebuild and let's see if it builds again. This built last time. I haven't changed anything. So if it doesn't build now, okay. All right, look at that. It builds. So somewhere down the line, it was upset that I changed the type, but that's okay. Like that's not what was failing. And we want to reopen index.js inside of universal. I blew away my node modules, didn't I? Yeah, I did. No, I didn't. It's still here. Okay. So it's failing here. This isn't get token. I'm tripping. And for whatever reason, this shouldn't be here. Why is this still here? It's because it's not a. Okay. All right. Fine. So technically, when I run this should run over here. So let's try it, right? Because I built it and it seems to have worked. So I gotta stop this here and then we'll restart it. Just open up my, we don't care about that. Let's not worry about uncaught or caught exceptions right now. Okay. So we see here that it's ready. At some point, we should see that string, like some weird ass string that I just typed. I forgot what I called it. Local FN. So we should be looking for local FN at some point. All right, so I'm gonna run the request. I just have it right here. All right, so we're gonna compile the route and let's see if it writes that string. If it writes that string, then we're good. That means that I have a way that works for me to figure out what's happening beyond my code. New access token, and I don't get, fuck. Shit. I was fully expecting to see a log here because of this function right here. Because it's obviously failing. Yeah. See this when I call get token eventually is going to call this sign, and sign is most likely the thing that's failing. So the fact that this catch right here didn't like go, that's concerning. Let me confirm that this did in fact load the right set of node modules. We'll go into, where is this at? We'll just open a new thing, RTSB, and go into node modules. Now this should be part of OctaKit, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll cd into OctaKit. Oh, wait a minute, not that OctaKit. It should be without the add. Okay. So where I need to go is, actually, I wonder if, oh yeah, that's what's happening. Okay, so here's what's happening. This is going to seem confusing, and it's because of this. When I build the project, it doesn't actually, like this OctaKit, I don't see node modules here anywhere. Let's go into this node. Maybe they're in this node. Yeah, I don't see node modules anywhere. And because I don't see these node modules anywhere, what that's telling me is that what's likely happening is they're being down, like the module that I thought that I've just modified, it's not being used. It's using the downloaded module. I think there is a way to confirm this too. Yeah, I think. Let's see. So we'll look for uni. Okay, well, maybe not. Well, there goes my hypothesis. It's disproved. We would have saw universal app JWT in this set of node modules here. But maybe there's another OctaKit somewhere. Let's look for that. Okay. All right. So, all right. This right here says this is a symlink. So it is symlinked. I wonder if I should install these modules first. All right. So we're back in OctaKit.js. Let's do an npm I and see if that installs node modules. Okay. No, remove one package. Okay. Let's list out. Do we have no modules? Yeah, we have no modules. This can't be symlinked. If this are truly symlinked, I should see node modules here. Here's what I'm saying, that if we go into here, this is what I'm under the impression that I'm symlinking to. At least that's what I thought. Yeah, that's okay. That's not what it is. Let's try and look this way, OctaKit. All right, so that's pointing to back GitHub. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, package. It's in package. Okay. All right, I'm looking in the wrong place then. It's in package. I forgot that minor detail. There should be node modules here though, right? Or maybe not. Maybe no. Maybe we don't need them. All right. So yeah, let's go back into OctaKit, and we'll go into. Okay, so package isn't there. Package isn't here. Okay, so this is wrong. Somehow. Oh, fuck. Let's go back one directory. I think I need to open this in Finder here. Okay, here in the UI. Oh, shit, what did I do? Why did I do that? Well, Okta. Obviously, I want to look for files in this thing right here. Why is this not working? Contains Okta. Like, what the fuck? It's definitely here. Like, all right, fuck it. I don't even care anymore. Screw it. I'll just look for it this way. Okay, right. So here's the thing. Let's look to see where this is pointing to. So it's definitely a symlink, and it's definitely pointing to the right place. Now, I forgot that when I build, the build goes into package, so the node module should get tree shaken or whatever. They should just go away. So I guess that's why I don't see that. But let's see if there's anything that I can edit inside of here to make my life easier. We'll look at list mode. We'll look at icon mode. That's easier. Okay, so let's look at this file. One day. Okay. All right, so this is compiled from TypeScript. That's why it looks a little sus, but that's okay. Auth import def. Okay. Auth. What's up, Jimmy? Do you actually notice the 120 frame FPS on Z? No, it's impossible for me to notice it though. I'm on a 60 hertz refresh screen. So, no. I have been waiting. When did Apple release the Pro XDR? However long it's been, I think I bought my Pro XDR a few years after they released it. So it's 60 hertz, and I've been waiting for years for a 120 hertz Pro XDR. I don't see that happening anytime soon. Maybe next year, but unlikely. Knowing Apple, they generally don't update their monitors that often. In my experience, it's like they updated on the order of like decades or 5-7 years. So it's like, if it's not within the 7-year period, it'll be within the next 7-year period. But yeah, hopefully that gives you a little bit of reason why I don't notice it. I don't use a laptop. Well, I have a laptop, it's over there, but even when I'm working on a laptop, if I can, I will plug it into a monitor, and all I have are Apple monitors. So yeah. All right, so we should see more stuff here. So this is where OctaKit, like, this is the thing, the entry point, right? Maybe I should just open this directory. Yeah, we'll open the directory up instead. Okay, what is that? That's going to be home code. What is this? No, not one. Who am I working with? GitHub. GitHub OctaKit package dist source. All right. So in fact, I just want to open this. All right. So we'll look at dist source index. Nothing we care about. App. Nothing we care about. This is a little weird to me. I don't know if I understand this. Here's why I'm confused. Where are these dependencies? Like, how do they get fulfilled, if that makes sense? These are local. Okay, we don't care about these anymore. Okay, we are in. Okay, node modules, AuthKit, JS. All right, I'm looking at these two things because they should be the same, and they are. All right, so this is telling me that it is pointing at the right place. All right, that's one answer. Just one answer now. Okay, I guess next what I want to see is if I go to my package lock or yarn lock. Yeah, yarn lock. Okay. Do I see universal something? Universal GitHub? I don't remember, I forgot the name of it, so we'll just do it this way. I'm not seeing that package here anywhere. Oh God. Here's the package I'm looking for. I'm looking for these things here. Any one of these. I think this is what's that it has to be going into here. Yeah, so we're like, this function is defined as failure, and then one of these is probably the culprit. So if there's not a secret or private key, how is that set? Who sets that? Let's look. Okay, so when we call sign, we pass in the secret or private key type. Oh wait, no, this is JavaScript. It's not a type. We pass in this value. My bad. Okay. Okay, and the secret is going to be the secret or whatever key. All right, JWS, where is this coming from? Private key. This doesn't fucking help me. I'm looking for who the hell is calling sign. And like, what the fuck? Because sign is the default export here. That's what this is, right? This is the function sign. And what I'm looking for is the thing that's calling this, but for whatever reason, I can't find it. Maybe I'll look for JSON web token. Whatever file's using JSON web token is probably it. So we'll look this way. No, it's not here. What the hell? Oh, maybe they use regular strings. Maybe they use these kind of strings. No, they don't. Okay. This is confusing. All right, maybe if we look for sign, let's do sign. App test. This is the thing that's calling it, but for whatever reason, this is so difficult for me to find. This thing right here. And I know I was just looking at it because it's right here. It's over here somewhere. Inside of this app. Or at least it was. Get token. There we are. This is what's all right. This is all right. Here's, oh my gosh, this is fucking annoying. Oh man, y'all, you don't. Oh my. I want to slap somebody right now. Okay, let me try to like get my thoughts together right now. I have strong opinions right now. All right, so their instructions tell me that I need to give them a token, an asymmetric token using this particular algorithm, this RS256. Here's the thing. They're creating the JWT for me with this get token. So what I'm over here doing, and man, the fact that I should not have to look at their fucking code. This should be documented, well documented, but it's not. I am doing that. That's what I'm doing here. I am signing a new key. I don't need to do that apparently because they're doing it for me and they don't make that clear because in their fucking error, it keeps telling me to create it as that. And that's what I did. Let's get I don't know if this, honestly, I don't know. I'm at a loss at this point. I really don't know what's going on. I'm just here. Move this off to another screen because I need to open up my environment just to confirm that I still have the value there. And I'm pretty sure I do, but you know, I'd rather confirm for real. Okay. Where's YouTube Slackbot? YTSB. And then I want to open up my env. Perfect. Yeah, it's there. All right, cool. All right. Let's see what happens. Honestly, I didn't have to restart the server. I forgot that there's a watcher on that file. So anytime I change it, the server will automatically relaunch. All right, let's send off that request. Let's see if I'm about to rage quit. I'm not about to rage quit. This is good. It worked. Fuck. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I've been trying to figure this out for a long time. I don't even know how many, like a long time. And to now learn that the issue is that I've read the fucking error message. It told me it wanted a freaking asymmetric token using RS256 and I did that and it's, oh my gosh. Oh, fuck. I don't even know. I don't know what to say. I should not have had to do all of the things that I've just done to learn that's the issue. It's that they create the token for me. It's not documented. I promise. I promise you it's not documented. In fact, I'm willing to bet that the opposite is documented. I should have kept notes. This is why I need this project to be done sooner, so I can have these notes. Let's go to developer GitHub. Then we'll do app installation. Something like that. Or app install auth or something like that. Okay. So look at here. Generating a JSON web token. Right? So this is for the app to generate, but I have to give it a JWT, right? Because I mean, when you look at this curl request and it says bearer and it's like JWT, I happen to know that, like, OctaKit is just a JavaScript API to the API. So I can kind of just look at the curl and know it's not clear that the SDK or whatever you want to call it is doing that for us. Generate a private key. I did that. Get the ID. Yeah. Import from OctaKit. I did this last time. I promise you can go and look. And I was getting this error. The error that I've been trying to deal with. Anyway, whatever. It's solved. I don't care. Fuck it. I'll move on. So let's close these other things. Let me actually move on. We don't need to see this anymore. Yeah, we don't care about this anymore. What is this? Yeah, no fucks about this anymore. Go away. So most of these most of these desktops I don't even need anymore. I opened these all up because I was trying to figure out what the hell was going on. I should retitle this stream "How to Lose a Fucking Week," thanks to lack of information in error messages. All right. Now we have another issue, but this other issue is not that important, really, because it's likely to do with the fact that I changed my data model a little bit. So let's figure out what's going on. So we're looking for this getting stream right here, this active getting stream, and it's saying that the stream is not found. In particular, it's going to this right here. So it's looking for a blob, and apparently there's something I'm giving it that it doesn't exist. So I happen to know that this is happening in the active stream in the get blob function, but I'll just do get blob, which is I think in GitHub, if I'm not mistaken. Get blob, not with a, or get file. Yeah, that's what I called it. Here we are. So this is where it's failing. So let's, all right. Man. All right. I should probably put this in a, yeah, let me do that. I was just like, yeah. We'll put this in a try catch block. So what I want to do is I want to return a promise of a string or null. I could use an empty string, sure, but yeah, I'll just say or null, because that'll force me to do the check on the other end of things. So we'll put that here. Oops, not that. We'll do this. Grab our error. And for now, I'm just going to log it. So we'll say the name of the function, just get file. And we'll say could not get file. And we'll put the error in there and just leave it as such. And then I got to return null. I could return undefined, but I think I'd rather do null. All right, and we'll go to where this is used, which is in the route that we were here. And this is upset because, this, okay, I see what's happening. Note template, I'm pretty sure that's an empty string right now. And if it's an empty string, that's why it's not working. I just need to make it the right string and we'll be good. So let's go to GitHub installs and let's look at, no, there's a note template here. So it's saying that it can't find this SHA, which I don't believe for a second. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put a breakpoint here. So we'll say we only want to do this other stuff. Actually, no. If there's no template, then we don't want to do any of these things. Okay, so we'll say if PR template, then we want to do some things. Otherwise, I don't want to do any of this GitHub shit if there's none of the template stuff, so we'll just do that. Yeah, all this GitHub stuff, that all goes together. So this is gonna somewhat fix it, kinda. but not really. We still got to figure out like why that file isn't popping up. Let me pull up Slackbot testing over here, and let's send out for requests, see what happens. This time, like, it shouldn't care, right? Yeah, there, yeah. See, now we get the thing. All right, so get file. Now I get some information. That's what all this over here is. So it's giving me a 404, which I understood that in the past. But for whatever reason, this right here is wrong. And here's what I mean. Let's go to Arc. Now I'm going to go to this. I'm going to try to go to this file. It's not going to work, especially because I'm going to the API. Let's just go to API. Yeah, this is the issue here. This should not have IML Shepherd again. It should just be devlog, like that. Now this should fail, right? But if I instead, do not API and not just do GitHub, I think that should work. It doesn't. Repos IML Shepherd /devlog /git / wait, that doesn't work. GitHub. Oh, yeah. It's just, I'm on the API. Yeah, here we are. No, that should have worked. GitHub IML Shepherd devlog git. Do I not need to do blobs? Do I not need to do git? Is it just blobs? No. All right, let's look at a file. Main. That's not what I want. So we'll go to here, devlog template. Let's go to raw. All right, I think I need to see what file we're trying to get. So I'm going to throw a breakpoint. Cause I'm starting to feel that the file name is wrong, maybe. And here's why, because I see this IML Shepherd devlog. That looks wrong as fuck to me. All right, so we'll look at git file. Again, we'll throw a breakpoint here. And I'm interested in this file SHA, but I'm also interested in right before we call this, like, where am I getting this file SHA from? So we'll just throw a breakpoint here. Huh? I got a 409. Video already exists. God dang it. I forgot because it worked last time, so I gotta go back and delete the freaking thing. Which one is it? Learning, finishing, Hangout. Yeah, we'll delete that. And now we should get the breakpoint. Okay, so the node template is whatever that is. Okay, we're gonna get our installation. Okay, cool. Owner, IML Shepherd, repo. This is the problem. That's the problem right there. It's not IML Shepherd / that whatever that is. So here's an easy fix for this, but man, I'm not a fan of this. Yeah, what I really should probably do is this context. Wherever I'm setting context, I need to like deal with that. So let's go back to route. We'll look for context, CTX. Cause I think context is built when I authenticate, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. All right, so repo, GitHub config.repo. So whenever I create this file here, what I think I need to do is do this right here. So if there's a repo, then what I want to do is split based on the operator there, and then I want to grab that. All right, so let's see if that results in something. And I also need to like delete the file again, or the record. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. So now the file repo is just devlog. That's what we want. And the handle looks right. We still get an error though. What's the error? Yeah, let's just let it do that. We'll read it here. Could not find file, not found. What's the URL though? I am bullshit. Okay, so at least this is now right. The URL is right. Now we got to figure out why this, like, did this change? The SHA shouldn't have changed for this particular file. And we can actually look in the repo itself in my devlog repo. So let's go and look there. So we'll open up another one of these. We'll go to code, I am Lil Shepherd devlog. All right, and then if we go inside of the Git directory, so we'll go here, and then if we go inside of what is it? Fuck, what's the directory? I forgot the name of it. Objects. So we go to objects. All right, so the file that we're looking for is a 04. All right, so let's wait. Where is that? Where did it go? Oh, 04. So there should be a 04 in here. All right, and now we have 82B. Yeah, that shit definitely it exists. 82BF whatever something C, that exists. Yeah, 1E3C, 1E3C. Why is this telling me that this file doesn't exist? This is bullshit. It does exist. Like, like it's fucking right here. What do you mean it don't exist? Oh my gosh. All right, I think I heard a message come in. Oh yeah, I did. All right, what's up? How you doing? I'm getting a not found. Yeah, I don't understand how that's not found. When I'm looking at it, this is it. This is it right here. This file. Oh 04821E3C. 04821E3C. This shit is telling me that this don't exist when it do exist. I'm looking at it. Like, it's here. It's here. Oh man, I'm wait. All right, man. Maybe I need to really inspect this error because obviously I'm not reading it right. All right, couldn't get the file. It's not found. Okay, interesting. We're going, yeah. I mean, okay. I am Lil Shepherd. I wonder if capitalization matters right now. Nope, it shouldn't, because it's I am Lil Shepherd here too. Fuck. Okay, never mind. Okay, so that's not it. All right, let's look up this function. I think it's called, I've already forgot what it's called. Get blob. Okay, yeah, I want to look up this function here. What? They mean that, wait, they don't have git blob in, wait, I don't understand. Why don't I see, is it git database maybe? Nah, not that. There used to be like a files thing here. Why is that not here anymore? We'll just go to OctaKit. That's actually what I'm using. I don't want to use the API right now. So OctaKit.js has its own site. I promise it has its own site. I remember. I remember this. We had a site for this. Where is it at? Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Okay, and I'm looking for blob. Maybe. Okay, typing doesn't work. Okay, there we are. Blob. Now it doesn't work again. What the fuck? Is it just not gonna work? All right, fine. Blob. Get blob. Okay. Is there anything else? Owner, yes. The account. Oh, yeah, I did that. Repo. Okay. File shaw. I am giving it the file shaw. I'm mistaken. Yeah, definitely getting that. Yeah, I don't know. This is yeah. I don't know. I'm not satisfied with this. This worked before. That's why I'm like, what the fuck? All right, so go to GitHub, git blob. Is it okay? It's a different file name. Let's see if this file still exists. Back credentials. All right, what credentials am I passing? Oops. Custom show headers. Oh, okay. I didn't include the. Okay. I should be able to grab this from my environment. Do I give a PAT? Yeah, so we'll try that. Oh wait, no, the PAT that doesn't. Oh, well, oh, sure. That's still, it's still valid. I was about to say it should be expired by now, but maybe I didn't expire it for whatever reason. All right, now let's see if I can get this blob. Now, if I get a 200, we're gonna have some beef. All right, so we'll dump that here. I get a 404. Okay. All right. So, with that, let's just put this thing in there, and I don't understand why. Well, let's see what that file is. Before I move forward. All right, so here you see that I'm on commit right here. Let's change it to this. And that doesn't exist. Interesting. Okay, is it like git object? I forgot the name of this. Git hash object, okay. Compute the object ID. All right, so here's what I'm gonna try. Maybe the ID of the file has changed. All right, so because of that potentiality, I'm going to we're going to recompute the SHA of that particular file. So that's not in this directory. That's going to be in GitHub. .github or something like that. Ah, shit, I forgot what it's called. Oh, I'm not even in the right thing. Devlog. Oh yeah, it's cd.yt. All right, cool. So this devlog template is the thing that I'm interested in. So we'll do a git hash object. And I think I should be able to do it like this too. Git hash object. If I'm not mistaken. No, I can't. Okay, so we'll do it this way. All right, and then we'll give it the thing that I want. All right, this could be user error. It could be that I updated it in my REST client, but I never updated it in my code because this looks very familiar. 0A3. And that's 0A3. Okay, all right, that was the problem. So I had the wrong version of the file in my database, which is another issue that I'm gonna have to figure out. Like whenever this file changes, I'm gonna need to have some way of watching. So I think I'm gonna use the webhook to do that. Because I'm watching this repo, if something changes, I can get an event. So if that file, I need to make sure I look for changes for that particular file. So let's change this to be the right node template and we'll save that off. And now let's rerun this request. But before I rerun the request, let's delete the videos or the video, I think. Yeah, delete that. And now let's try this again, right? So we're gonna go back to get active stream, this right here. All right, so we'll try to do that. Okay, let's see, do we get a 404? Look at that, we don't. Perfect. We get some other issues, but that's fine. We can deal with those later. Okay, so it failed when it created the pull request. So failed to create PR, validation, pull request failed, yeah. Status 422, validation failed. Okay, I don't know if that's helpful. It would be helpful if it showed me the, oh, it does. It's literally right here. Okay. So we go to API, GitHub, repos, IMO. It's 422. Is that an auth error? Unprocessable entity. Okay. Let's go to create PR. Something here must be awry. So let's just do that. And we'll retry this. All right, so we'll get rid of this breakpoint, no longer need it. Also don't need this breakpoint anymore. Okay, gonna get our installation. Let's see what we have here. We have the handle, devlog, main. What's the head right now? Okay, non-X, okay. Title, hangout, live, body, what's the description? I don't understand what. This is spelling validation? Resource pull request filled, head, code. Invalid. So it's saying that my head is invalid. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out why. So we're in, all right, let's see. Let's do a fetch. Okay, cool. All right, so we have the latest thing. Let's see what branches we have. Git branch. Okay, so Macau, whatever that is. Okay. That shouldn't fail. Can you not have numbers in a branch name? I don't know if that's the case. Let's see, git branch. I may have to pull out my Git book. It's to go look. Let's see. Name. Git branch name. Branch name. All right, so we'll look for branch name. So this should be defined somewhere. There's branch name somewhere. Branch name, because it's using this format. Generally, this tells you that there's a definition somewhere, but I don't see that definition anywhere in this file. The name of the branch to create or delete. The new branch name must pass all checks defined by. Okay, some of these checks may restrict characters a lot. Okay, this is promising. Ensure that a reference name is well formed. Okay, get check ref format. Yeah, let's see. Let's try this format, this ref that just got created. Wait. Shit. I didn't write it. Okay. Let's try it again. This is getting annoying. All right, head. Now, if it errors out here, okay, so it's not numbers. All right, that's what I was wanting to see. I was trying to see if it's this reflog thing. But we'll check anyways. Let's open up this thing. Which directory is this? We'll close this. I don't think that's what I want. I forgot the names of these things. I used to know these things like the back of my head because I had to, but now because I don't do it, I don't really do this anymore. I don't remember a lot of these plumbing and porcelain commands, or plumbing, not porcelain. I don't remember a lot of the plumbing commands. So we'll check this format, and then we'll throw in that. Okay. So we're good. And I want to say we can do what is it? Is it echo? Is it that? Or is it this? Or is it? I forgot the name. Basically, I can look at standard out to see what the last error message was. But if I get no output, that should mean that we're good. And here, I'll also want to check it with the branch flag on there. Okay, yeah, we're good. So it's happy with that. So that's not the issue that I'm getting. So let's go look at the API, and I want to figure out what this 422 could be doing. So we're gonna look for create or PR. Yeah, create PR pull request. And create pull. This is not helpful. I don't know why, like it's been so long and it's still not usable. So we're gonna create a pull request. So what I want to do is I want to go to the actual API, but I don't see. Okay, this is it. Create a pull request. I want to know what 422 means. Hopefully, validation failed or the input. Okay, or the input has been spammed. So it could be either or. Oops. Okay, so if it were forbidden, that would mean that I don't have the right privileges. So, all right, I don't know what validation is failing. I don't know. It would be nice to know. It's saying that my head is not valid though. The name of the branch you want the changes pulled into. You know what? I think I know what the problem is. I might know what the problem is. So, if it's not able, if it's getting a 422 and saying that the head is invalid, that must mean that I never created the branch in the first place. That's the only thing that I think that can mean. So let's see if all right, we create the branch name. And then here I create a branch. So this is where I think I need to look into here to see if I'm actually creating this branch. And there's another thing I can do as well. Let's go back to here and we'll do git branch all mck. Okay, so it didn't get created. That's concerning. Let's come into here. Oh, okay, so I'm erroring out something, but maybe let's see what happens. We need to do this here again. Oops. All right. Okay, cool. All right, we're gonna try to get a ref. Why? Wait. What? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I had to get the current shot. My bad. I'm tripping. I'm like, wait, what the fuck? Okay. Now we're gonna create the ref. What's the name? Let's see if this actually gets created though. It doesn't. We see now. So we get an error. Installation ID is required for app installation. Wait, what? All right, that's weird. I wonder if this installation ID was even right. Now I had to go and do this again. All right, so I'm only interested in here, so I'm going to delete all these other endpoints. It's 92, so we'll delete that. What's the installation ID? 495. Repo. We get Devlog, IMO Shepherd. We're going to create this particular ref on this saw. And I guess we're going to get an error again. We do. So let's make sure I put the name. This probably would have been helpful had I did what I'm supposed to. We'll do that and we'll just say could not create branch. Could not create branch. We'll do that. So I'm not being rate limited, so that's good. It's still just validation. going to do something interesting. We're going to stringify this. Can that be null? No, it can't be null. It needs to be undefined. The reason why I'm doing this is that I want to know what the errors are, but because it's an object, it's not going to just run. Actually, yeah, like that should have. I don't know. I don't understand why that didn't work, but we'll try this again. But I've made progress. Honestly, I've gotten past my original issue, so I'm actually kind of ghost. But quit while I'm ahead. Let's try this again and see if I get more information about the errors. Yeah, cool. No, I don't. Fuck. Well, my suspicion is that it has something to do with head. So I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with head. And when I say head, where is it? Wait, did I not put it in here? Is that it? So give it the ref. Then a shaw, creates a reference for your repository. All right, anyway, that's fine. I think I'm going to solve that maybe tomorrow. I have tomorrow that I can work on this. So let's get rid of some things. So we now have a new version of OctaKit. Okay, interesting. We fixed some issues and all right, so yeah, let's try that. So we'll say remove owner from repo name. And then in here, the only thing that really changed is this right here. This is actually the solution. So we'll fix that. So we'll say fix GitHub Auth issue. And then the rest of this is just like other things. So this was fix the git file issue. Or was it? Yes, yeah. This was so that I can like get the error, essentially. We'll just say don't throw errors. All right, and then here is just helpful debugging info. Say update to latest local version, a local build. OctaKit. This will pull from npm on Vercel. And then here is I wanted to wrap. Yeah, so only do GitHub stuff when we have GitHub stuff to do. All right, go ahead and push that up. All right, those are all my changes for today. I'm gonna call it as far as this kind of work. If there's some people here watching and y'all have questions or thoughts, well, that would be a good time for it. I'm happy to stick around and chat about it. I'm also just as happy to go and do something else. Like I'll go ride my bike. Get some nighttime action riding in. I need to do more. I need to do a night ride test anyways for my footage. I have another video that I should have edited today, but I fell asleep, so I didn't edit it. So I may edit it tomorrow and try to publish it either tomorrow or I'll upload it tonight and then make it public Saturday or something like that. But yeah, I'm going to assume there's nothing since no one's saying anything. So y'all have a good night. Peace.